Hi guys, Scott here from Outlaw Garage. Today we're on a new adventure. We're off in the snow. Suzette's with us. What a lunatic. We're here with the cars, and just as this one pulls past us, look at that there. At Cafe Latte. There we go. We're off in the snow today. Let's crack on. So we're in the 356 today, heading to the snow, because, bless her, the oil temp cooler gets blasted with the cold weather. She never really shows true temperature in this weather. However, the boys at Cafe Latte at Hawksburn have given us, oh look at that, some warm muffins. And they are warm in the car. So the troops are out there, so we're going to feed the troops a little bit with these muffins. How's that?
He didn't come out to chat.
I think they're just busy. I'm nitpicking.
Muffins.
So we're at a regular stop, so I got muffin in my throat. We're at Club Ringwood. A few of the guys are here. There's a few people here. I knew it wouldn't be a popular drive today because the snow and it's meant to be throwing it down, but we've got the 356s with us. I don't know about driving a bare metal 356 in the snow, but we're going to give it a go today. It should be a bit of a blast. Right, we're here. Where are we?
Marysville.
Marysville. We're in Marysville. I think we've stopped here a couple of times before when we've driven up into the hills. The cars are doing well. By God, it's cold. My feet are freezing. I've got another pair of socks. I'm thinking of putting them on. It is so cold, and we're hoping the rain will disappear at some point and the snow will appear. I thought we'd lost Curtis, but he appears here. I am cold. I'm going to put some new socks on. Okay, so we haven't found any snow yet, which doesn't normally bode well for a video, because either we don't find what we're doing, and then all of a sudden the video turns into a breakdown video. Now, Suzette and Pete have had to pop off. They have now got a new tyre, I think, or they've got a tyre issue, so they're doing that. We are hoping to find the snow at some point. It's still raining, but apparently on the there's like a webcam, you can see what it's like a bit further up, and there is snow. But just right at the minute, there's no snow, it's raining, and we've got a minor breakdown, but hopefully we'll be able to get that fixed soon. So Pete and Suzette are here, so we've still got a hope of finding snow, because we are not broken down. What happened?
Tyre pressure light come on the right hand front, so it must have been the cold weather, because the pressure's correct again now.
Yeah, okay.
Modern technology, baby.
Yeah.
Hey, look, we've not broken down, so there's still hope of snow. So we are here at Lake Mountain, as I try and clear the windscreen a little bit. Lake Mountain? Mountain Lake? It's definitely one of those, but it looks like they've got a checkpoint.
I think this is going to happen.
Is this a checkpoint to see if we've got chains on our tyres?
So what we do, there might be a car park to the left that has some snow on it.
Yeah, ask them if they'll let us through. Alright, there still might be a chance for snow. I've got 2 pairs of socks on now as well, which I'm pretty happy about. I think because it's ski season, that's why they have a security check on the bottom of the hill, because otherwise we'll probably get idiots like us go up all the time. So here we go, there is snow. We have been stopped because we're obviously not carrying snow chains, so that's a little bit of an issue. They do have like a whole visitor centre, check centre there, which is kind of cool. But there is snow. I think we'll try and get over a little bit. I'm going to get wet feet, and that will do me with my socks. I think it must snow a little bit further up as well. We might try and get some shots here. It's probably a little bit of a pathetic excuse for snow today, but we've tried. There is definitely more rain than snow now. It is blisteringly cold. We are going to head off to Warburton, I think now. The car is kind of filling up with water, definitely in that front wheel well, and that's where we're getting a bit of rust come through on the old gal. That's not a surprise because she's filling up. There we go. No pets, no drones either. That would have been slightly annoying today. Look at the weather. It sucks and it is cold. It would have been nice if it was snowing, but I think we're probably going to try and find somewhere for lunch. Might find a quick pint, something to warm us up. God, it's cold. Well, there we go. We're back in the 356. We are fogged up. God, it's cold outside. I hope the 356 starts because in this weather it might be a little bit temperamental. Great day out. If we finish the video here, hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, and we'll see you again on hopefully a much warmer adventure. Let's hope the 356 starts.